Hello, V Nation. Okay, I'm here to discuss with regards about the auscultatory method in determining systolic together with the diastolic arterial pressure. So in this video, we are sharing with you the auscultatory method in determining systolic and diastolic arterial pressure. So basically, this systolic and diastolic pressure is the two cardiac phases or the two cardiac phases cycle of the heart. So basically, when you say systolic, that is some form of what you call contraction phase of the heart, whereas the diastolic pressure, that is some form of what you call relaxation phase of the heart. So basically, the cuff is placed above the antecubital artery, okay, which is above only the upper arm, okay. So whereas the stethoscope is placed near the antecubital artery, and there should be no sound will be here when there is enough pressure to close off the artery. So when the pressure is actually slowly released, the sound of blood is jetting through the vessel, okay, by the vibration of the wall, and that is called as what you call carrot cup sound, okay. The first sound is also the systolic pressure. As what I've told you a while ago, right? When you say systolic, that is contraction phase of the heart, okay. When you say diastolic, that is some form of what you call relaxation phase of the heart. So, when you say the diastolic pressure is when a muffled quality occur, okay, please note that the sound is often overestimated because the sound is still be heard, okay, even after deflation of the cuff, okay. This method is actually not a 100% accurate, but it actually gives you within the 10% range. So basically, the normal BP or the normal blood pressure of a certain person is depending upon the normal value of that person. So, this is, kindly like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye! Narinig nyo muna yung, pero bago nyo i-check, right? Oo. Ang baby ata, sweeper. After that, check nyo kung saan yung palpitation. Palpitation ng brachial artery. Tunwad, nakatingin lang ako doon. Para doon. Nahanap ko eh, kung talaga. Then after nun, so nakaganyan. Okay? Check mo kung nakabukas. Nakabukas sa tenga. Okay? Lagay mo siya dito. And then,
ako walang pulso. Gab, buminga ka, Gab. Gab, binga.
And after that, okay, so release mo muna. Pag na-release mo na, saka mo siya i-close. Okay? (120/80).
Oh, normal.
120.
Normal mo?
Yeah, normal. 120/80. Kasi yung una niyang una niyang, hindi nyo kasi tinitigan dito eh. Yung una niyang, di ba, i-release mo kasi to. Ito, i-release mo. Okay? I-release mo dahan-dahan, tapos yung una niyang tick sa 120. Tapos, dire-diretso na naman yan. Yung pangalawa niyang ganon, 80. Dire-diretso na siya. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, 120 over 80. 120 is the systolic volume, 80 is the diastolic volume. Okay? Pakinggan nyo.